What if you could clone your own voice in just 60 seconds and then use it for every video you make without ever recording your voice again? Sounds crazy, right? I thought so too, until I actually tried it. Let me show you how it works. ElevenLabs gives you two options here. The first one is instant voice cloning. You upload 60 seconds of your voice, and it's ready in about a minute. The second one is professional voice cloning. This one creates a much more detailed copy of your voice. It picks up on things like how you pause, how you breathe, your tone. So basically, you record once, and that voice just keeps working for you. Let me just show you how this actually works. I'll click Add Voice, select Instant Cloning, upload my audio sample, and give it a name. That's pretty much it. Now watch this part. I select my cloned voice, type something, and generate. Listen to this. Hello, this is my cloned voice created with ElevenLabs. That's not a recording I just made. That's my voice, made entirely by AI from one short sample. This is exactly how a lot of creators do their voiceovers now. They just type, and the voice handles the rest. If you want to try this, ElevenLabs has a free plan, no card needed. I've put the link in the description. Go test it yourself and see how close it sounds to your actual voice. If this was helpful, drop a like. It really does help the channel grow. Subscribe if you want more of these AI tool breakdowns. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.